Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm at CVS here to do the deals for the sales week of November 1st through November 7th. I think I'm going to do 3 separate transactions. I'm going to take you through the store, show you what I get, and then we'll go over all the receipts and everything whenever I get home. First I'm going to grab one of these Eucerin Skin Calming Creams at $9.59, and I'm going to grab one of these Roughness Relief Lotions at $12.99. For this lotion, I'm going to use the 3 off of 1 manufacturer coupon, and then for this one, I'm going to use the $2 off 1 manufacturer coupon, and then I have a 4 off of 20 lotion CRT. It's going to take off a total of $9, leave me to pay $13.58, and then I'm going to get back a $10 extra care buck and $6 on Savings Star, making this a $2.42 moneymaker. Next thing I'm gonna grab 2 of the Tresemme, a shampoo and a conditioner. This week they are 2 for $10. I'm gonna grab 2 for $10, use this $5 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. I'm gonna be left to pay $5, but I'm gonna get back $4.40 on Shopkick. They're offering 1,100 kicks when you buy a shampoo and a conditioner, so it's gonna bring this down to 60 cents. I'm going to pair that with 3 of the Pantene for $15. I'm going to use this 5 off of 3 manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave me to pay $10, and then I'm going to get back a $5 extra care buck for spending $15. So the Tresemme are 2 for $10, the Pantene are 3 for $15. That brings me to $25. So I'm going to use this 2 off of 7 Pantene and this 4 off of 18 shampoo and conditioner. These threshold coupons equal $25, so I can use both. So minus the 6 and the $10 manufacturer coupons, that's going to leave me to pay $9 in store. I'm going to get the $4.40 from Shopkick for the Tresemme, and I'm going to get the $5 extra care buck for spending $15 on hair care products. That's going to make everything a 40-cent moneymaker. For my spend 30 get 10, I'm going to grab one of these Downy Unstoppables at $11.94. I have a baby, so I'm going to grab one of these Dreft laundry detergents at $11.94. And I'm going to grab one of these Tide liquid detergents at $5.94. This is a 1.09 liter. So this is my spend 30, get a $10 extra care buck. This is $11.94, this is $11.94, and this is $5.94. That's going to bring my total to $29.82, which is within the 98% rule to print my $10 extra care buck. I'm going to use this $2 off of 1 manufacturer coupon that came in the November P&G. I'm going to use this $3 off of Downy Unstoppables CRT for these. I'm going to use this $3 off 1 Downy manufacturer coupon that came in the November P&G. This does include the Downy Unstoppables, so that's going to take off $6 of that one, and then I'm going to use this $3 manufacturer coupon that also came in the November P&G. So $29.82. I have $11 in coupons. I'm going to be left to pay $18.82, and I'll get back a $10 extra care buck, making these 3 products $8.82. So this is my first transaction. I'm going to roll $35 in extra care bucks. My total is like $40 and some change after coupons, but I'm going to do 35 just in case the Pantene Digital, the 5 off of 3 glitches and comes off also. I don't want to lose that $5 in extra care bucks. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the register, and then we'll move on to the second transaction. Okay, so here's the first receipt for the first transaction. There's the Pantene, the Tresemme bottles, the Dreft, Downy, Tide, Eucerin. All of my manufacturer coupons went through. That Pantene Digital did glitch and come off also. All of my CRTs went through. I rolled $35 in extra care bucks. I paid $1.40 plus tax on a Fetch Rewards gift card. And then I had a total savings of 98%, $91.90. And then I got back the $10 for spending $30 on certain products, $10 for the Eucerin, and the $5 for the Pantene. So I rolled 35, got back 25, plus I'll get that $4.40 from Shopkick. And my second transaction, I'm going to do CoverGirl this week. It isn't posted anywhere in my store, but it's spend $15, get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 3 of these pencils at $6.29. That's going to bring me to $18.87. And then I'm going to come over here and pick up one of these at $8.69. All four products are going to total me $27.56. I'm going to use one of these $3 off CoverGirl face product. I'm going to use 3 of these CoverGirl eye product manufacturer coupons and this 8 off of 20. That's going to leave me to pay $7.56, and I'll get back a $5 extra care buck. This week's Huggies are 2 for $20, and when you spend $20 you get $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up a diaper, and then I'm going to come over here and pick up a pull-up. I'm going to use this 2 off of 20 Huggies diaper pull-ups and Goodnight CRT. This $2 off 1 package of Huggies diapers, and this $3 off 1 package of pull-up training pants. So $20. I have $7 in coupons. I'll be left to pay $13 to get back a $5 extra care buck, making it a final cost of $8 or $4 each. And I will scan it to Fetch because I do have some offers for Huggies. Next thing I'm going to do is the Crest 3D White. This week it's buy 2, get a $3 extra care buck with a limit of 2. So I'm going to grab 2 of these Crest toothpaste at $4.59. And then I'm going to come over here and grab these toothbrush right here that are priced at $4.29. So all 4 products are going to total me $17.76. I have a $5 off of 3 digital. I have a $1 off of 1 Oral-B manual toothbrush digital, and then I have this $4 off of 14 Crest Scope Oral-B. So my total is $17.76. I have $10 in coupons. That's going to bring me down to $7.76, and then I'll get a $6 extra care buck, and then $1 for each one of these on Ibotta, making it 24-cent moneymaker for all items. Next thing I'm going to do is this Icy Hot Dry Spray. This week they are spend $12, get $3 extra care buck with a limit of 1. So I'm going to pick up 2 at $10.99 each. It's going to total me $21.98. I have this buy 1 get 1 free manufacturer coupon that came in the Sunday's paper. And then I'm going to use this 4 off of 15 any pain relief. And I also have a $1 off of 5 any pain relief that I can't find, but I'm going to look for it right now. So it's a total of $10.99. It'll come off because the buy 1 get 1 free. And then another $5 is going to bring me down to $5.99. And then I'm going to get back a $3 extra care buck, making it $2.99 in store. And then I'm going to get back $3 for each one on Ibotta, making them a $3.01 moneymaker. Last and final thing I'm going to pick up are 2 of these Lady Speed Sticks. I'm going to pick up one at $3.29 and one at $1.64. It's going to bring me to $4.93. And then I'm going to try to use this 3 off of 2 Select deodorant that printed for everybody last week. I'll be left to pay $1.93. And this week when you buy 2, you get a $2 extra care buck. So if this works, it'll make it a 7-cent moneymaker. So everything I'm going to do in the second transaction is Icy Hot, the Lady Speed Stick, the Crest, Oral-B, CoverGirl, and the Huggies still. After manufacturer coupons, I'll owe about $31 and some change. So I'm going to roll $30 in extra care bucks, pay the rest on a Fetch Rewards gift card, and then I'll get back 21 extra care bucks plus 6, 7, 8 on Ibotta. So everything should be about $2 plus tax. But I will calculate everything I got in beauty and figure out how much beauty bucks I'll get back, and then I'll give you the final cost for everything. This is everything I picked up in the second transaction. Let's go ahead and go over the receipt. Here are the Huggies. They were 2 for $20. The Lady Speed Stick, one at $3.29, one at half off for $1.64. The CoverGirl Brow Pencil, 3 of them at $6.29, and then the foundation at $8.49. It was tagged in store for $8.69, so it was 20 cents cheaper. And then both of the Icy Hots at $10.99. So all of my manufacturer coupons came off. The buy 1 get 1 free did take off the full $10.99. All of my CRTs did come off. There's a 1 off of 5 any pain relief that I told you guys I couldn't find, but I did find it, so I used it. I wrote $24 in extra care bucks. You don't see the Crest on here because they were all in the wrong spot, so they were all ringing up different. So I just voided off all the Crest products, and then I only wrote 24. My math was a little bit off trying to think on spot, so I just paid the $4.28 plus tax on a Fetch Rewards gift card. So again, no money out of pocket. I had a 95% savings, and then I got back $5 for the Huggies, $3 for the Icy Hot, $2 for the Speed Stick, and $6 for the CoverGirl. So I got back $16 in extra care bucks, and then I also got back the $6 for the Icy Hot. So final cost for everything. This is how I figure out how much my transaction altogether was, whether it cost me money or if it was a moneymaker haul. So I started with $53 in extra care bucks today. I spent in both my transactions $140 and $428 subtotal. So my subtotal was $58.68. I now have $35 in extra care bucks, which is an $18 in extra care buck loss. But I got back the $6 on Ibotta for the Icy Hot. I'll get back the $6 on Savings Jar for the Eucerin. I will get back the $4.40 from Shopkick for the Tresemme. And then today's purchases, I had $74.94 in beauty, plus an existing $19.08 towards beauty, which is $94.02. So that'll get me a $9 beauty book. That brings me to $60.40. So I'll take the $60.40 minus what I rolled and what I spent. So that makes this a $1.72 moneymaker haul for all of these items, or with tax, $1.20 moneymaker haul. So that's how I figure out how much all of my items cost me. I think I covered everything. I know I wanted to say something. Yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on whether the 3 off of 2 deodorant CRT worked, and it did. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.